Hi, I'm MAINEWOODSCHICK, and I'm going to show you how to make this amazing chowder. Before we get too mesmerized by it, let's start from the beginning. First, you want to start with some lobster. I'm not talking about rock lobster. You want Maine lobster. Get it fresh. I'm using knuckles and claws, about 2 pounds, but set it aside and no cheating. Next, you're going to want 2 pounds of mussels. Yes, these are frozen. They are in garlic butter, and that's just going to help with the flavor. You're going to want to get a big pot. 12 quarts is mine. I fill the water up with 4 quarts to boil the mussels, and then chop up your mussels, set them aside. Other main ingredients is going to be a pound of scallops. These are sea scallops. I have some medium-sized shrimp, a pound of that set aside, and 2 pounds of haddock chopped up. You're going to want 6 cups of diced red potatoes, a cup to 2 cups of diced sweet onion, a cup of diced celery, 2 tablespoons of Himalayan salt. You're going to want to start with the pan. So we're going to use 3 tablespoons of butter. You're going to add the chopped onions, get a good saute going, add the celery, add your scallops. So scallops usually takes about 8 minutes to 10 minutes. Go ahead and get them all nice and cooked, and then set it aside. Now you're going to want to cook 4 strips of bacon. Yes, I said bacon. Bacon nice and crispy. Back to the water. You're going to add your salt, boiling again, because now we've got to cook the potatoes. So in goes the potatoes. Potatoes are going to be in there for a good 10 minutes. Set your timer. After the potatoes have been boiling for 10 minutes, 4 ounces of clam juice. Add that shrimp in there, put it in there gently, mix it up. We're going to add your corn. You're going to get a can of sweet corn.
Add your haddock and let this boil for 10 minutes.
We're using evaporated milk, so pour about 1/4 of a cup into a jar or a bowl, and then you're going to pour the broth from the scallop, onion, celery mix. Then you're also going to add 2 tablespoons of flour and mix that up. All right, after you've mixed all of that up, I didn't show it in the video, but you've got to dump the rest of the can and this mixture into the chowder. And add your bacon and your mussels and just watch it spin around. And then, oh my God, here comes the lobster. It's my favorite part. I promise I didn't cheat. Every little bit went in there. Then pepper. Oh my God, you need pepper. Pepper is your friend. So good. Now grab your favorite chowder bowl. Start filling it up. Get some goodies. Oh my God. And then pour some broth. And if you want to get real fancy, keep a claw laid on top. And grab some parsley for garnish. Trust me, it's worth every step. Enjoy.